Look what we got. Good morning. This is Robbin from Rover, and we've got an unboxing today. This is our Merry Maxim crochet kit of the month. Super excited to see what we've got in here. I haven't seen many of these on the videos. A lot of times, for some reason, it takes me longer to get this than anybody else. So usually by the time I get mine, they're all over the internet already. So I sliced it open. Let's see what we've got inside. I see something white. Here's our packing list. Crochet Club of the Month. It's $16.99 plus a flat $5 shipping. So $21 and tax, of course. $21.98, and that's all in. $21.98. And as always, it's in our wonderful little plastic holder here. Ooh, this is nice yarn. It's a pair of little booties. See those? Little slippers with this yarn. I'm surprised. Let me get this thing open. Here we go. Fancy little plastic bags. We love these little plastic bags, don't we? Oh my gosh. So it is tufted slippers, small, medium, or large. And this is the March crochet of the month. Yeah. So if you guys don't know, up here at the top, there's that number there. It says 2022-03. So that means 2022 third month. So that means it's the March CR crochet of the month. That's how you can tell right off on these things. That's a cute little slipper. I like that. Again, the instructions are on very nice heavyweight paper, which I adore. 4-weight yarn. Boy, I would think that was a 5-weight for sure. Peruvian alpaca yarn. Wow. Crochet hook. I'll need a large, so crochet hook is an I on that one. And they give you instructions to do this one stitch, which they're calling it a reverse single crochet, which we call that a crab stitch. So I've done that lots of times. Crab stitch, it really puts a very, very pretty edging on something. It's not hard at all to do. You just have to get, because you're crocheting backwards, so you just kind of got to get used to doing it. But once you get the hang of it, it works really, really well. So let's take a look at this beautiful yarn. Ooh. Oh, I think it's very heavy. I would never ever consider that a 4. That's a definite 5 for sure. And it's machine washable. That surprises me. Peruvian alpaca. Wow. Machine washable. And I gotta figure out what the symbol is for drying. I think it's that one right there. I think it means we can dry it. But this is gorgeous yarn. 20% wool, 20% alpaca, 10% mohair, and 50% premium acrylic. This is a 100-gram ball. And it is color number 150. What I was looking for was yardage. And I'm not seeing yardage on here. Maybe it says it in here. I have to remember that when I turn away from the computer, you guys can't hear me. That's something I figured out with this. So I have to remember to talk directly into the computer and not talk when I turn away. So 100 grams, 100 meters. Oh, 110 yards. 3.5 ounces, 110 yards per ball. So what do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 white and 2 blue. So 1, 2, 3, 440 of the white and 220 of the blue. This is really pretty. Ooh, look at that blue. Look at that blue. It is, what do they call it? It's not a royal blue. It's not a teal blue. They're calling it turquoise. So apparently your choices were white and turquoise or cream and denim. Everyone that I've seen open has been this color, so either one would have been pretty though. This is so pretty. That is definitely not a 4. That is a thick, if that's a 4, that is a thick 4. So that's going to be interesting when it works out. When I saw this on other videos, I went, wow, that's some pretty darn nice yarn to make some slippers out of. Because I don't know about you, but my slippers get pretty beat up. And Peruvian alpaca. But it is machine washable. It's not terribly soft, but it's not super rough either. Interesting. This is a really interesting yarn. When I've seen other people do this one, I thought that I really wasn't going to want to use beautiful Peruvian alpaca yarn for slippers. But now that I feel it, it's the right feel for that product. So I'm probably going to give it a go. And one of the ladies, and I can't remember her name. If I can get her name, I'll link her video down below. Because after she made her slippers, and they turned out really nice, after she made the slippers, she said there was enough to make a whole second set. And she would probably, the only thing she said, she probably wouldn't be able to do the cuff out of this color, but she could do she could do the sole out of the blue, and then the whole rest of the slipper in the white, and she would have enough to do 2 full sets. So that's a bonus, especially maybe. And she did the large too. She did the large because she makes them for her brother. A lot of times she gets these kits and she makes them up for her brother. So that is the Mary Maxim crochet kit of the month for March 2022. And I got my very, very first Happy Mail. So this came from my friend Pinky Jean. I adore Pinky Jean. She's got the cutest channel. She does all kinds of little things. And again, I'll put her link down below as well. She's gone through a rough patch and she has just bounced back tremendously. And she does unboxings of not yarny stuff. She does a lot of knick-knacky things, a lot of decorative things, some household things, a lot of facial type stuff. She does Mask Mondays and just chit-chatty. I adore her. And as she is always saying, have a flamazing day. She adores flamingos. So they got the cutest little flamingo sticker on here. So I've opened this up and I'm pulling it up. I have not looked, and I'll tell you what, this came in the mail yesterday. It took everything in my power not to open it up before I could show you guys. So it's wrapped all nice. Let's see what it is. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, it smells good. Oh, and there's a little note. Oh, so look at that cute card. It says, thank you for your support of my channel. It's so flamazing, and I appreciate you. Isn't that cute? Can you see the little crown on that flamingo? She's adorable. Okay, it says, Robbin, I love the flamingo dishcloth. It's beautiful. Thank you for thinking of me. Just me, Jean. So as you know, I'm trying to learn how to knit, and I saw a dishcloth pattern that had a flamingo in it, and I knew I needed to make that for her. And it turned out pretty okay, so I sent it off to her, and she wasn't expecting that. This is so sweet of you, Jean. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do that. Ooh, a mask. I have never done one, and I've been wanting to. So I can join you on Mask Monday now. Innisfree, my Real Squeeze Mask EX. It's honey. It's a honey mask. How interesting. Super excited to try this. That's what smells so good. Oh man, that smells good. And then, oh, a collagen under eye. mask for right here. Boy, do I need that. May help reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. I just bet these things feel so good on your face. Oh, I'm so excited to try that. And then what do we got here? An assortment of tea. And I love teas. Ooh, yum. She gets I believe she gets the Sipsby subscription also. I thought I saw her opening one of those. And I like that. Okay, let's see what we got here. A whole bunch of different kinds of teas. Tea for You, that's what it's called. And we've got jasmine, peach. Oh, I love peach green tea. It's one of my favorites. Earl Grey, yum. Oh, chamomile. You know, I've never had chamomile tea. Apple, that sounds wonderful in the mornings. Another peach green, thank you. My favorite, English breakfast. Good night. I bet that doesn't have any caffeine. Vanilla, that sounds yummy. Ooh, pomegranate. That's interesting. Yum, yum, yum. I cannot wait to try these, you guys. I love teas. I only drink coffee because of the creamer that I put inside. A lot of people enjoy their coffee, the black coffee and the different flavored coffees, which I do. But if it doesn't have a lot of cream in it or the lattes, that kind of stuff, I can't drink coffees. I'm a tea girl. I love the teas. Thank you so much, Pinky. That was so thoughtful of you. You didn't need to do that, but I really, really appreciate it. And I adored getting Happy Meal. It was my very, very first piece of Happy Meal. And I was so excited when I saw that package in there. So thank you again. And thank you everybody for joining in. I hope you enjoy taking a look at the Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month. And we'll see you soon. Everybody stay safe. Bye-bye.